Hello guys, good morning. Today we will cover software development life cycle, and in the last lecture we have covered introduction of software testing and also the basic types of software testing. So let's start. Before going to the software development life cycle, we will discuss about the basic software testing principles. So in that, as we know, the software testing is a procedure of implementing software or the application to identify the defects or bugs. So we need to follow 7 principles which will help to our software tester to develop code that is error free, clear and maintainable. So let's see the 7 different testing principles. So there are testing shows the presence of defects. Is there any defects in that code? And also exhaustive testing is not possible. Early testing, defect clustering, pesticide paradox, testing is context dependent, absence of error fallacy. So these are the 7 principles we need to follow for the software tester. And the main chapter is software development life cycle. So here it is a framework that describes the activities performed at each stage of software development process. So there are several SDLC phases like requirement phase, planning phase, design phase, build stage. It's also building the software, testing phase, deployment and maintenance. So we will discuss each phase. First we will cover the requirement phase. In this technology team gathers all the requirements and information from the client to build the software, also known as requirement gathering phase. Next, planning phase. In that case, the technology team discuss the requirements from the clients. And in design phase, the technology team plans the architecture of the system and the project. Next, the build phase, also known as building the phase software. In this stage, developers actually code and build the software according to the requirements given to them. Next is testing phase. Here, software tester begins to test the software to make sure it is built according to the requirements. And the last phase is deployment and maintenance. Here software becomes ready for customer to be used. And next we will discuss the software development lifecycle models. So before we start the software development lifecycle model, we should understand what is the sequential development and for which we should go through the following steps. So here first we will cover the analysis, design, implementation and testing. These are the sequential development. And we will have a waterfall model. So here we will requirement, design, development, testing, deployment and maintenance. So and also we are having a V model and agile methodology. So most of the companies are following the agile methodology. So before going to that, we will discuss this V model also. The entire V model executes in 2 phases. The complete review process is done in the verification phase and the whole testing process is done under the validation phase. That's why it is also known as verification and validation model, that is V model. So where the verification validation process includes different stages, that is requirement, specification, architectural design, detailed design, coding, unit testing, integration testing, system testing, acceptance testing. And the last and useful methodology, that is agile methodology. So it is a modern day of software development model. Agile model is a flexible approach to building a software. So in this case, software built in pieces, 2-week sprints, flexibility to go back and fix. In that case, in the waterfall model, it will take 3 to 4 months and we can't go back and fix that issue. So here some of the effective agile testing methodology are as test driven development, behavior driven development, exploratory testing, acceptance test driven development, extreme programming, session based testing, dynamic software development method, crystal methodology. So today we have covered all that models and the life cycle, and next we will be looking into that software testing life cycle, and the types of testing also will be looking into that. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like, comment and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much.